Rushed mornings don't leave a lot of time for preparing breakfast. That's where the Hamilton Beach Breakfast Sandwich Maker comes in. Now you can make a sandwich with fresh ingredients from home in under 5 minutes. Just choose your favorite bread, then layer on your favorite toppings, cheese, pre-cooked meat, or veggies. Lower the cooking plate and top ring, add an egg, top with the other piece of bread, and close. Set the timer for 4 to 5 minutes, and when you hear a beep, slide the egg cooking plate out and you'll have a perfectly assembled breakfast sandwich. Cleanup is easy. All removable parts can go in the dishwasher and cooking surfaces are non-stick. A nutritious breakfast is possible with the Hamilton Beach Breakfast Sandwich Maker. Now that's good thinking.
Thank you for choosing the SodaStream Source Home Soda Maker. In this video, we'll show you how to make your own sparkling drinks at home just the way you like them. Place the soda maker on a sturdy surface. Remove the seal from the carbonator and then unscrew the cap. Remove the back cover, pulling it from the hole. Insert the carbonator into the soda maker and screw it tightly into the holder. Do not use any tools. Then, replace the back cover and push it into place. You are now ready to start making your favorite sparkling drinks at home. Fill the carbonating bottle with water up to the fill line. Best results are achieved when the water is cold. To insert the carbonating bottle, make sure that the carbonating block is in its fully upward position and the bottle rest is angled forward. Push the bottle up and back. The snap lock will catch the bottle and hold it in a vertical position. When inserted correctly, there is a gap between the bottom of the carbonating bottle and base. Do not carbonate if the bottle is resting on the base. Please check the bottle is firmly in place before carbonating. Now, press down the carbonating block with short, firm presses until the first LED indicator is illuminated, releasing the block halfway between presses. Repeat to obtain a stronger level of carbonation as indicated by the illumination of an additional carbonation LED indicator. That's it! You're ready to add the flavor. Pull the bottle towards you to release it automatically from the snap lock mechanism. Pour a capful of your favorite soda mix flavor while holding the carbonating bottle at a slight angle to avoid an overflow. Then, shake gently with a rolling motion. Enjoy over 100 flavors of fresh, better-for-you sparkling drinks made at home by you. SodaStream, your bubbles, your way.
Cuisinart takes meal preparation to the next level with the Cuisinart Salad Spinner. The Cuisinart Salad Spinner has a 5-quart capacity that allows you to wash and dry salad greens with the easy-to-turn knob without removing the lid. Simple and easy to use, the Cuisinart Salad Spinner has a lock-in-place lid, so the bowl stays in place while spinning your greens clean. The green mesh basket is large enough to easily clean all your greens. The plastic 5-quart bowl has a non-slip bottom. It is important to wash and dry your greens prior to eating them. Add your greens to the salad spinner. Lock the lid in place by snapping the 2 tabs on the sides. Add water to the hole on the lid and begin spinning by turning the handle in both the clockwise and counterclockwise position, which creates the washing action. When you are finished spinning your greens, press the green button to stop it from spinning. Once you're done cleaning your greens, dump the water out into the sink and begin turning the knob again to dry the greens. If you are having company or getting ready to serve a meal, you can store your greens in the salad spinner up to 2 hours after washing and drying them. Serve fresh, beautiful salads with the Cuisinart Salad Spinner.